Hello world, here is Biti, your Bitcoin trading informant. And in this video, I would like to check some altcoins for now, because it's very interesting what's going on with the altcoins, what's going on with Ethereum, what's going on with Litecoin, Bitcoin, XLM, ADA, BNB, XRP, IOTA, DOT. So we would check some coins here in this video for the time. Today is the 26th of February and maybe we see some very interesting things here. You can see this channel here is my live stream. You can see it. I'm live streaming this on Twitch. It's named Crypto Trading Informant and you can see there mine of the biggest coins or of the interesting, in my opinion, the interesting coins, and you can see there a very lot nice things. So if we are take a look about Ethereum here on the upper left side, you can see here, guys, we have buy signals, we have sell signals, we have the ribbon band, very important, we have the EMA 200, very important, and we have the 1 hour time frame. So every coin here I show you on this live stream is on the 1 hour time frame. We also have long signals and we also have short signals. You can see it here on IOTA. We have here a short signal. You can see it here. So this is a very nice signal if you would like to make a short. And you can see it, guys, if you are shorting IOTA from here, you have made a very, very nice gains here with the short. I also have long signals. You can see in here, BNB had a long signal here going in from this here to the short signal from this here. Not so a big thing here, but you can take this signals long, short, buy and sell for your own trading setup. And you can always take a look about this live stream. It's online 24 hours, 7 days a week. It's every time online and you can check it for your trades here. So let's start now with a quick check for Ethereum. Let's go into Ethereum versus Bitcoin. Ethereum versus US dollar. We start with this. Ethereum versus US dollar or USDT, and this here is the chart. We are here on the USDT chart, Ethereum, and you can see it on the 1 hour chart. We had a short signal here about 1,900 and it's going down really quick here, momently at 1,492 in a bearish downtrend. You can see it. The interesting thing is this is the ribbon band, the red band here. We are under the ribbon band. That's a very bearish thing for the long time under the ribbon band. And we have support, a big support, and you can see it, we bounced on this support for 2 times. Here we bounced and here we bounced again. And so the interesting thing is how long is this support holding for Ethereum. The support is here on the price level about 1,440, and this is a very important support for Ethereum for the short term or for the long term. We have to watch about this. How long is Ethereum able to stay over this important support? You can see it on the MACD. We have now a crossing from the blue line over the brown line. That's a bullish sign. So maybe we see a little pump here for Ethereum, but you can see the next big wave is here. The next ribbon band, the red ribbon band, is here. It's here momently on 1,505, and that's acting here as a resistance. That's very important. So what can we await from Ethereum? This is the upper line of the downtrend, 1,660, a really interesting place to watch. If we are pumping from here, if we can fight against the ribbon, this is the next target. The middle line here, and this is at 1,440, that's the big support. If we are breaking this support, if we are breaking the blue line, we have the bottom of our downtrend. That's momently depends. It depends always where Ethereum will fight against this. But it's here on 1,140, 1,150, about this price region. So guys, that's the fast thing for the 1 hour chart for Ethereum. Let's take a look about Ethereum versus Bitcoin. What's going on with Ethereum versus Bitcoin? And here we are in the chart, Ethereum versus Bitcoin. We have a short signal here on the 1 hour chart. We are short against Bitcoin, so it's not a good idea to trade Ethereum momently because Ethereum is going down more as Bitcoin, and that's very important. We are in a big downtrend. You can see it here. We had some tries to break up of this, but we never came over this downtrend. So the big thing is, the big problem for Ethereum is here, in my opinion, this big downtrend against Bitcoin. It's not good to trade momently Ethereum against Bitcoin. You make not so much gains. It's better to trade Bitcoin for this. So guys, that's the quick thing for Ethereum. Now let's check what's the next coin, what's the next important coin. Maybe you can write it in my comments if you would like to check that I check a coin for you. Let's check XLM. XLM is a coin I am personally trading very often and very likely. Let's check XLM versus USDT. Let's go to Stellar, and here it is. You can see it. I tried some things here on Stellar. I made every day a video about XLM, and here we are. We are also in a big downtrend for XLM. You can see it on the 1 hour chart. The same thing as Ethereum. The blue line is crossing over the brown line. That's a very bullish sign, but the bad thing is we are also under the ribbon band. We are fighting against the ribbon band. That's the big resistance. Here on XLM we are also under the blue line, under the middle line of this downtrend, also a very bearish sign. And you can see it. I tried to make a 1 to 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 Elliott wave theory, because I thought here was the highest point, 0.5. Then we had the A, B, C correction to the downside, and in my opinion, we should see now a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 wave. But at the moment, you can see it's not working so good. Our third wave may be here, our fourth wave is maybe here, and maybe we see now a fifth wave like this. It's possible, but maybe we see then a ABC correction again. So everything is talking to me bearish. XLM is also bearish. We have big resistances on the 1 hour ribbon band. We have the EMA 200, and we have here the upper line of this downtrend at 0.47, very bearish. What should we see in the next hours? The big resistance is here, 0.4. The big next one is here, 0.43. The middle line is the next resistance, about 0.39. And if we are breaking down again, we have a good support line. That's this, because we have an uptrend in the higher time frame. And this one here is a very good support for XLM for the long term here. And we touched it here once, we touched it here twice. And the interesting thing is, it's very similar to Ethereum. And the interesting thing is how long can hold this support. This support is so important now, 0.35 support. If we are breaking down, we have the bottom side of our downtrend, 0.3, and that's the fast thing for XLM. What's going on with XLM versus Bitcoin? Let's take a quick look about this Bitcoin XLM. Here it is, and here is an interesting thing, guys. Look at this. Momently, XLM is breaking out from the downtrend from Bitcoin. That's a very interesting thing. You saw here I drew a triangle here, and momently it's breaking out a little bit here from this downtrend. A breakout is always a nice sign, but guys, we need more volume against Bitcoin to see here a move to the upside. We have a big resistance here. This red line is a big resistance here. We need here to come over this resistance. If this works, and if XLM versus Bitcoin would move over this red resistance, and then we have the next resistance, it's the EMA 200, you see it here, then this can be, or there could be, a bullish sign for XLM. But for now, for the moment, you can see it, we're fighting in the downtrend, we're fighting versus the downtrend, breaking up to the side, are going sideways a little bit, and that's the thing. What would be the next move for XLM here? For now, we can make one thing, we can make a line from here to here. That's our resistance line. And we can make a line from maybe from here to here. That's our support line. So it's a little triangle forming now in the 1 hour chart versus Bitcoin. And maybe we see a breakout to the upside or to the downside of the triangle. It's very important to watch it. And if we are breaking to the downside, it's not a bad thing to short here XLM. Or if you're breaking to the upside, it's a good thing to watch about the resistance and the EMA 200. So guys, what's the next one? What can we take a look about it for the quick here? XLM dot ADA. I think ADA is a coin. A lot of guys are asking me, Biti, please check ADA. Okay, that's a good thing. We are checking ADA for now. ADA USDT. Let's check it. And here I have a drawing also, and you can see it, guys. We had here on ADA, on the 1 hour chart, a big triangle, and we had a breakout here from ADA over the triangle. And this was the perfect buy for a long theory in the theory. I bought here my long position because of a breakout and a confirmed breakout. Then we had a downgoing. I thought we would see a retest of this, but it was not a retest. We broke through. But guys, one thing is very important. It was not a confirmed breakout or broke through here because of these upgoing candles, and then it was a confirmed breakthrough because of these candles here. Then we had a very nice support here, the EMA 200 on the 1 hour time frame, very nice. We spiked through it a little bit, and then we are going up from this, and we are now over the ribbon band, and that's a good sign momently for ADA on the 1 hour chart. It's looking not so bad, but it's not the perfect thing I hoped about ADA, because I was hoping about, I can show you this one, the triangle breakout like this. And this was the point I made a long position here because of breaking out the triangle. We had a triangle pattern here about $1.50 or 51, and I hoped for the breakout from this point here, but you can see it's not breaking out as predicted or as I wished. So now ADA is here going lightly sideways, a little up and down, and lightly sideways. What's going on with ADA versus Bitcoin? Here you can see, interesting thing, we are on a good uptrend. We are on a good uptrend against Bitcoin, and that's the bullish thing for ADA, and that's why ADA is making some profit, and the only coin what's making profit because of this uptrend against Bitcoin. And this here was a fake out of this uptrend. So this was the triangle breakout also on the US dollar. It faked out, and now it's going down a little bit again. And interesting, maybe it's retesting now this uptrend, and maybe we see that the uptrend is holding here, this retest, and maybe we see a push up against Bitcoin from here. It's very, very possible for ADA to see a push up here for retesting this upper trend line, and now we see maybe a push from ADA to the upside. That would be very interesting. You can see it here on the hour chart. We have a MACD is bullish, the blue line is over the brown line, and we have green candles, not the biggest candles here, you can see it, but maybe here we will come more volume if we are retesting this one for ADA. So my hope is still on ADA that it's possible to break up triangle, to break up the ADA versus US dollar. Let's take a look about it again, and to break out, yes, this is a breakout, and to see more pump here for ADA. The thing is, I had no stop loss for ADA, so I had no stop out here from this side, because if I had a stop loss, I would set it to this side, and I had a light minus for my trade, but I had no stop loss, and I am now also in the trade for ADA from this breakout here. So that's the thing for ADA. ADA is the only coin, in my opinion, momently what's looking not so bad. All other coins are looking not so good momently, but ADA is very nice here. MACD is nice, and over the ribbon is nice. We have the EMA 200 as a support, nice. Okay, it doesn't look so bad. But guys, if Bitcoin is going down more and more and more, we have a problem with ADA also. So keep that always in my mind. If Bitcoin is going down, the altcoins will follow. The most altcoins will follow. What's the next thing we will check? Is there a really important thing out there? You can see it, Litecoin is under the ribbon band. It's not so important momently to check. It's really deep under the EMA 200, so a lot of resistances for Litecoin momently. What is here? BNB is very interesting. BNB was over 350, is now at 229. What a big dump here. But you can see it here also. It's under the EMA 200, it's under the ribbon band. Not so perfect. XRP, not so perfect. IOTA, under the ribbon band, fighting with the ribbon band under the EMA 200, a big resistance ahead, you can see it here. DOT also under the ribbon band is looking similar to Ethereum. So guys, you can see it, it's interesting. ADA the only coin over the ribbon, ADA the only coin over the EMA 200, and that's very important. I think guys, you have here a very nice view about these coins on my crypto trading informant live stream. You can check it always. Please give me a support, give me a comment if you're liking it, give me a sub, what else, or a donation. I love to take all your love and send me a smile, guys. So that's it for the altcoins for the moment. I wish you the best of luck, guys. It doesn't matter if you go short or if you're going long. I wish you make millions with your trades. Guys, have a nice time. Greetings. Your BT, your Bitcoin trading informant. Bye bye.